Another shave with the Parker 96R Twist to Open Butterfly Safety Razor coming up next. Oh, that's nice and smooth. Hi YouTubers and wet shavers everywhere, it's Mark at GeorgeTune.com. I'm back in another video. Thanks for joining me once again. Really appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, please feel free to look around and also please consider subscribing. Well, you've got me right going in on the process here. I'm doing a pre-shave right now with the Cube 2.0 from Phoenix Shaving, and we're going to go right into lather just to kind of move things along with this shave. Another shave with the Parker 96R Twist to Open Butterfly Safety Razor. And I'm using Diver Down from Phoenix Shaving right there. Okay, that's what I'm using. And along with the Atomic Rocket synthetic brush from Phoenix Shaving. And yeah, that's going to make a wicked good lather. Wow. Just going to need some more water there. The experience, the first shave with the Parker 96 was that it was a very mild razor, and I've had several shaves since then. And it has been a consistently mild razor. So I wanted to do this shave on camera, kind of give you an idea of how mild it is. And I'm going to do 3 passes. I got about a day and a half worth of beard growth here, so it'll be a good test. And love this Formula CK6 from Phoenix Shaving. Love it. I mean, it just builds a heap of lather. I mean, that's wonderful. I mean, look, boom, lather. It's just wonderful. And of course, the pre-shave soap helps boost it as well. It'll help boost any shave soap you have. At least it has for me. Okay, boy, that's got it. That's great. All right, so this is a twist to open razor, and the entire handle here from the collar all the way down twists, it turns. So you'll just hold it here like this and turn that whole thing like that. That'll open up. Closing it, here I'll just show you again so you can see the whole thing on camera. There it is, all right? And we're going to use a Vikings blade, mild razor blade. I like these. These are mild, they're sharp. Made in USA from what I understand. Okay, just put that in there like that. All right, there we go. And we're going to go ahead and I'm really going to snug it up to make sure nothing loosens up on that. All right, let's heat that up. Let's get right to the shave here. All right, so here we go. 30 degrees, a light touch. Let the razor do all the work, gentlemen. Yeah, that is a really nice improvement over the Parker razor blade, which is a little more, has a little more edge. It's a stainless steel blade, so I don't think it has much of a coating on it. And I am checking this razor to make sure that these doors don't loosen up here, and it seems to be nice and snug. Boy, that's nice and smooth, really smooth. As mild as the Parker, it's as mild as the shave I did with the Parker blade, but there's an additional smoothness there because these blades from Vikings blade are coated, and this is their mild blade. Wonderful, love this blade. All right, that's the first pass done. Let's rinse. It's a nice first pass. It really is. I don't know if it's a socially acceptable shave, but it's a good first pass. Plenty of soap in the brush to lather up for a second pass. Boy, I love this diver down. This is the homage to Seaforth Spiced. Beautiful scent. I mean, this is absolutely wonderful. It's refined, it's gentlemanly. If you like Old Spice, you have to try this. This is like this is a level or two above that. Really, really terrific. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's just run that in the sink there. Make sure that's rinsed off. We're going to go with pass number 2. We're going to go east to west across the grain. Boy, that's a terrifically mild razor. Now, the one thing I am doing here is as I'm rinsing it, I'm noticing that, I'm making sure that this is still snug. I think the action of just doing this might be turning that handle a little bit. So I'm just making sure, as I'm bringing it up, I'm just making sure that it's still snug. No problem getting those little bits underneath the nostril. And as I showed you in the previous video, the end tabs just stick out a little bit. Not a deal breaker at all. And so far, they haven't gotten in the way at all. Second pass done. Let's rinse. Wow, I could call this shave done. That's really a nice, mild, efficient shave with this razor. But I'm going to do a third pass, see what kind of feedback we get from my alum block. I'll be using the Phoenix Shaving Alum Block dry dock system with the no slip grip. And I'm also going to be finishing off with Diver Down Aftershave Splash. And a little bit of Lubriderm for upstairs too. All right. Boy, just, this brush is great. Just absolutely great brush. All right, so here we go with pass number 3. We're going to go south to north against the grain. Well, that's really a mild razor, but there is a very nice efficiency there. Again, I'm rinsing it, and that is just loosening up just a little bit, so I have to just turn that to tighten that up a little bit. All right, Third pass done, let's rinse. It's a nice shave, I'm done. Wow. Let's do my 2 final rinses, one warm, one cold. That's nice. That is a really good, mild, efficient shave. I've been very impressed with this razor. I've had several shaves with it, and it's done a really nice job, shave after shave. All right, here's my warm water rinse. Okay, flip it over to the cold side. I'm also going to get a little bit of a menthol kick because of the Cube 2.0, because it has menthol, activated charcoal, Formula CK6 ingredients, but that menthol in there really gives me that nice menthol post-shave kick. Here's my cold water rinse. Yeah, that's nice. That's a nice menthol kick. All right, I got a clean, fresh towel waiting for me right here. That's a nice shave. That really is. Boy, that felt great. That's really, really nice. But let's see what kind of feedback we get with my Allen block, Phoenix Shaving Allen block. No slip grip right here. Let's run that under some cold water and see what we get. No stinging, no zinging. Smooth as ice. Wow, that's terrific. That really is. All right, here's the dry dock system. Just put it in there like that. Don't have to dry it off. Just let the air in the room do its thing. And we'll let that set up. Talk a little bit about this razor while that's happening. And, you know, this has been a really, really nice, mild razor. I think it would be a good razor for beginners because of its mild quality. Now, the only thing that I'm concerned about is how this handle is loosening up just a little bit. It's loosening these doors here a little bit as I'm doing this kind of thing in the water, rinsing it out. And I don't know if I need to tighten up on that more, just really crank it down, or maybe it's the way I'm handling it. Maybe I should hold it more like this when I rinse it out, so it doesn't move around a little bit. I don't know. Could be operator error on my part, but the one thing I am doing is I bring it up out of the sink before I start shaving with it again. I'm just doing this, just a little bit to make sure that it's not loose. Other than that, I haven't seen any kind of problem with this razor at all. Nice heft. I think it's 3.75 ounces, and I think this is a 4-inch handle. And nice streamline handle, nice tight knurling here, great color scheme. I like it a lot. Let's finish off the shave here with some Diver Down aftershave splash. That's great. Great, great, great. That's got a great kick. And here's some Lubriderm right here for upstairs. About that much is all I'm going to need. See that right there? About that much. And I'm going to put just a drop or two of the Diver Down. Get a little bit of this, like a scented balm up there. Great shave. Really, really terrific shave. This is a very, very nice, mild yet efficient razor. If I had to give it a rating, I would say this is squarely in between a DE89L and a Merkur HD34C. Right there in the middle, with the HD34C being on the milder end of that scale. That's where I would rate this. Nice, mild, efficient razor. A good pick for beginners who want to get into the wet shave with the traditional safety razor. The only downside I see is this handle, because this entire handle turns, and this is what I'm handling it with right here, just holding it right here, and just this action of rinsing seems to possibly, just the resistance in the water seems to just loosen this up a little bit. I don't know if I have to crank down on this a little more and keep it a little more firm and secure. Not entirely sure. Now, I did have a shave with a Parker razor blade in this a day or two ago, and I did pick up a little nick right here. I don't know if it was because of the aggressiveness of the blade, or maybe if these doors had loosened up a little bit. Wasn't anything major. It was one of those phantom nicks that closed up right after I applied an alum block and some cold water. But other than that, I haven't had any problem with this razor at all. A nice, mild shave. I would just like to know a little bit more about this handle and how to secure those doors during a shave. If any of you have had experience with this razor and know, please comment below. All right, that's it. Thanks very much for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it. Please share, please subscribe, please like. Hit that bell so it'll give you a yell the next time I upload a video. Comment below. Let me know. Check out the Executive Shaving Company. Use the code MARK5. Check out my blog, georgetoon.com/blog for my comics from George, other cartoons, other videos like this. I'm on Facebook. Check out my Facebook page. Check out Phoenix Artists and Accoutrements for some great shaving gear. Check out my Amazon product page at amazon.com/shop/marks80, where you'll find all the products that I review on this channel, organized and categorized so you can find everything in a snap very easily. Thanks very much for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you again real soon.